So our dessert for today is called tinodok or carioca. Kakailangan natin dito is glutinous rice, coconut liquid, grated coconut, tapos haluin lang hanggang sa shape ng ganito. At para sa pampagaan ng paggawa, bottle of beer. Optional po yan, optional. And then, pagkatapos nun, ipiprito lang siya hanggang maging golden brown. So now, we are making the sauce for the carioca made up of coconut milk and brown sugar. Cook and stir until thicken. Dipping now the sauce to the carioca till it gets brown. Ngayon, ang finished product ng tinodok o carioca. Ang sarap kaya. And this is now called tinodok or carioca. Yum! Pabait nga.